part ng district allocation. Ito po yung mga big ticket projects like foreign assisted na hindi naman po bumababa sa district maintenance fund, equipment fund, preliminary and district engineering fund, right-of-way fund. Yun pong district allocable, yun po yung based on, well, a parametric formula that the Secretary Bonoan has instructed to prepare at least to determine more or less ano po yung ceiling ng budget kada distrito, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.